Hello everybody, how are you? This is KIN214 and this video is an overview of Module 1. And for each module I'll have a video just kind of outlining. I'll give 2 or 3 minutes, maybe 3 to 4 actually, just regarding what to be expected in Module 1. So in Module 1 you have 3 sessions when the course is laid out, and specific to these 3 sessions, the first module is more of an introduction overview of the course type of module, or I'm sorry, session where we talk about what's to be expected, what's going on, just a little review of the syllabus, etc. And then we touch on safety and spotting. And then session 2, as you can see, general adaptation syndrome, the human body reacts to stressors that are placed upon it, and that process of applying a stressor and reacting and adapting is called the general adaptation syndrome. It's kind of the foundation for all strength training, working out, fitness, physiological changes in the body. We would be remiss if we didn't talk about how the body moves. So we have the different planes of movement that the body moves in. There's 3 primary ones, and there's 7 main movement patterns that the body actually articulates through when working out, depending on the exercise and what's being done. And 2 main movement patterns are flexion and extension of a joint. So if we open this up, we have, here's the week 1, and here's the week that session would fall in. And this course was originally written for a Thursday schedule, so most of the dates you'll see here will align with the assignments on Thursday and due on the Wednesday thereafter. So with all assignments, if we just go ahead and go into here, I'm just going to use week 1 as an example. You'll have the folders. One will be content, the other will be assignments. So as you go in, here's where you find all your content information, and this format's the same in all weeks, etc. You're going to have a content folder and an assignment folder. And you might have like a supporting video folder if I find videos that I think are interesting and be supportive of what we're talking about in class. So you might have a 3rd folder in here, but these are your 2 main ones. Here's where you get your info, content. There'll be videos, the actual lecture slides itself. And for this one, there's a number of different worksheets in terms of checklists that you can review. I'll jump back out to the assignments here. And when you go into the assignments folder, in the assignments folder, you have a check for learning, and then a post and reply with your classmates. So when you look at this in terms of point-wise, the spotting homework assignment is done online on Blackboard. So as I stated earlier in one of the earlier presentations, all content is created, delivered, and then completed by you and graded via Blackboard. You may have situations where there's an essay question or a short answer question that I have to manually grade, but if it is a homework assignment where there is not an essay question, your grade response is immediate, and you can see that in your grade center immediately, and you get that feedback right away. Otherwise, with grading in general, I tend to have the grades turned around in 24 to 48 hours, give or take, after the due date. So like in this example, this assignment's due on September 2nd. You'd have to give me to September maybe 4th to get that done, but usually I'm done within 24 hours. I am not a guy who likes to let stuff wait until the last minute. So with that said, the module itself is 3 weeks long, and we begin the module on August 24th. There we go. Scroll this down. Week 2 is the week of August 31st, and then week 3 will be in September. And when you look at this, again, you kind of break out the different assignments. You can see the delivery mechanism is the same in each one of these. I'll even go into module 3 here for you so you can see that. And here you have some virtual lab videos for the back group that have been put in to supplement the learning process. So when you go into these folders, you kind of dig around a little bit and ferret around a little bit, but you'll see in here, you have the 7 main movement patterns within 7 main movement patterns, a video regarding the presentation. These are roughly about 7 to 10 minutes long. If the content's a little bit deeper, it might take to the full 15 minutes, but they're kind of quick views you can do while kind of sitting in between your classwork. And you can get through them rather quickly. So to that end, guys, this is the end of overview for Module 1. There will be a different one for each module going forward, and I hope you guys are able to follow along. And as always, if you have any questions, any concerns, send me an email. My email address is found right under faculty information, right here, afleisch@harpercollege.edu. Matter of fact, you can click on it, it'll link you right out to an email screen. All right, guys, have yourself a great one, and do your homework and get super smart. Thanks.